Home Remedies presents.
In just 1 minute, your teeth will be white and shiny like pearls. Homemade recipe. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I will present the best natural remedy to get rid of stained and discolored teeth. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. Stained teeth causes. Teeth stains have many causes. Certain foods and drinks can cause teeth stains. Tooth discoloration is also a product of several biological factors, including the transparency of your tooth enamel. The recipe I will present you today will help you get rid of tooth stains and discoloration without any chemicals. I love how a whiter smile helps us appear younger and healthier instantly. But if strips irritate your gums and whitening toothpastes causes sensitivity, try brushing with this gentle all-natural powder. The recipe. In a small sealable container, combine 2 tablespoons baking soda, 1 tablespoon dried finely ground sage, half tablespoon sea salt, 15 to 20 drops coconut or mustard oil to make a fine paste. After brushing with regular toothpaste, dip your damp toothbrush into the mix and brush it over teeth for 1 minute, then rinse. How it works. Sage is used by many cultures for its natural teeth whitening and astringent properties, while baking soda gently polishes away any stains. And aside from its breath freshening ability, coconut oil or mustard oil also have antibacterial, antiseptic and pain relieving properties. And to top it all off, sea salt is full of teeth nourishing minerals and is especially helpful in healing irritated gums. The result: a glowing, healthy smile that will put you in the spotlight this spring. Depending on the degree of discoloration, you should notice the first results after only a few uses.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.